Welcome back to Conversation to Close, the channel where we break down real estate strategies that help you close more deals and make more money. I'm Sean, and today we're talking about the biggest mistake people make when using Deal Sniper and how you can avoid it. So here's the deal. Deal Sniper is a great tool. It pulls in numbers, does calculations, and helps you quickly analyze a deal. But if you just copy and paste the offer it generates without adjusting the numbers, you're making a huge mistake, and it could be costing you deals. Let me give you an example. Deal Sniper might calculate a purchase price of $984,500, a down payment of $68,915, and a monthly payment of $8,896.67. Now, does that look like a real offer from an investor? No, it looks like something a computer generated. Sellers and realtors see numbers like that and immediately assume you're not serious. A better approach? Clean up the numbers. Instead of a down payment of $68,915, round it up to $69,000. Instead of $8,896.67, round it to $8,900. These small adjustments make your offer look intentional and professional, which increases your chances of getting a seller to accept. Here's the key takeaway. Deal Sniper is a starting point, not a final offer generator. Always double check the numbers, adjust them to look human, and make sure they align with your investment strategy. All right, guys, that's today's tip on how to avoid the biggest mistake when using Deal Sniper. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate investing insights, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And if you want to see Deal Sniper in action, check out our next video where I break down a real deal analysis using the tool. Until next time, keep closing deals and making moves. See you in the next one.